Yo, what's up, guys? Well, let me just claim this free pack. Alright, got a SummerSlam. Um, so I am Goliath now. Cause I pro'd this Kyle O'Reilly. Um, this, this was my freebie. So it's pretty high in the tier. I just gotta get games in, and it'll be better than Rhino and Tyler Breeze. This was the Ring Domination card. As you can see, we completed it. So yeah, this is gonna be a Goliath TVG pack opening. I hope it's something good. Let me know in the comments what you think I'm gonna get. Alright, let's see. Alright, Pete Dunne. God damn it, I knew it was gonna be Cesaro. Bray Wyatt, not a pro. Well, not too happy about Cesaro. There we go. Let's see if I can max him. Alright, go tight in there. Let's put these ultimates. Some WrestleManias. Throw all these enhancements. I don't know if I'll be able to max. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I probably won't. Well. I'll be making a video later today for the CP points. I'll be opening a platinum pack. And yeah, see you guys later.